Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Simple Equations, Chapter 4 for Class 7. Before getting into the video, I want to tell you one thing. Just understand the definitions thoroughly. Then only in moving forward, it will be easy for you to get into the sums nicely. Also, all the definitions are interesting and fully logical. Just give a try. Capitalize your time for understanding the concept, then you will see the wonder. Now, equation. What is equation? Mathematical expression which involve the sign of equality. Equality is nothing, just equal to symbol, equal to. Mathematical expression which involve the sign of equality. First, we should know what is mathematical expression, right? So what is mathematical expression? It consists of numbers, variables, arithmetic operations. That's all. Just to have a clear concept. Mathematical expression means numbers, variables, arithmetic operations. Numbers you know, right? 1, 2, 3, 0, everything. All are numbers, numerical values. What is variables? See, we are taking this as an example. 4x plus y. This is a mathematical expression. So here 4 is the number. Also, we are going to see what are variables. Variables are x and y. Now, what is variables? Variable means something that can vary. That's why they are giving it as a name variable. Something that can vary. That is change. So, it takes on different numerical values. See, this x, y, each and every alphabetical thing, no? These are all called variables. Variables are always denoted by alphabets, by the symbol of any alphabets from A, B, C, D to Z. Anything it may be. So, it always varies. That means its value varies. You can give any value to this x and y, whatever alphabets are there, depends upon the equation, the value may change. So, variable means something that can vary or change. In 4x plus y, x and y are variables, right? So, here it is not just x and y. It will take some values. That means some numerical values. It takes on different numerical values. That's why it is called variable. In each case, it may vary. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations, this into mark, multiplication symbol and plus. See, arithmetic operations are plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are all arithmetic operators. So, one of these operations we will use in our mathematical expression. Okay. So, all these together gives us mathematical expression. Mathematical expression means have a very clear concept. It is a combination of numbers, variables and arithmetic operations. Also, keep it in mind, always terms in mathematical expression means a term is separated by plus or minus. Okay, here two terms are there. 4x plus y. So, 4x is one term, y is another term which is separated by plus symbol. So, this is all about mathematical. This is mathematical expression. So, these are terms. Now, we are going to get into the equation. So, this is mathematical expression which involve, if you include sign of equality, okay, that will become an equation. In short, an equation is a condition on a variable which states that the two expressions are equal. See here, 4x plus 5. This is a mathematical expression. Here we are including equal to sign. Equal to 65. This is also an expression. We can, it is a numerical expression. So, 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. This is left hand side LHS. RHS means right hand side. This is the same as if you interchange right hand side 65 as left hand side. See, LHS is 65 here. Also 4x plus 5 left hand side thing comes to right hand side RHS 4x plus 5. It is same as both are equal. So we included equal symbol in the mathematical expression. Then it becomes, now it is an equation. It becomes an equation. Here also another example. 6x minus 25 is equal to 4x plus 5. This is same as if you interchange LHS into RHS, RHS into LHS, it is same. See here, two mathematical expressions in the left hand side and right hand side. We equating these, that means we put equal symbol in the expression. We included equal to symbol in the expressions, mathematical expression. So it becomes an equation, right? So this is, equation is nothing but a condition on a variable which states that the two expressions are equal. Now we will see what is an equation with an example. See, this is an equation. A mathematical expression equated with 1, another numerical expression. So minus 3x minus 8 is equal to 1. Here two terms are there. Minus 3x is one term, 8 is another term, separated by minus symbol. Now, what is equation? Mathematical expression with the equal sign. Just if you know what is equation, always put it in your mind. A mathematical expression with the equal sign is called equation. Next, at least one of the two sides of an equation must involve a variable. At least one of the sides. Both sides also you can have variable, but it is necessary to have a variable at least one side. One of the two sides of an equation must involve a variable. An equation remains the same when LHS and RHS are interchanged. That means if you interchange, if you take this one, this side and have this expression in the right hand side, LHS equal to RHS also implies RHS equal to LHS. Next, an equation is a condition on a variable which states that two expressions are equal. These two things are, it always tells you that these two things are equal. An equation which involve one variable is called an equation in that variable. See, 4x plus 2 is equal to 10 is an equation in variable. What variable? Here only we have x. So it is an equation in variable x. An equation which involve one variable is called an equation in that variable. Simple equations. What is simple equation? The equation in which there is only one variable with its power as 1 is called a linear equation. In one variable or simple linear equation. It is nothing but a simple equation. See, nothing. It is very easy. 7x minus 5 is equal to 30. What is the power of the given variable here? Power means x raised to the power. Any power is there? Nothing means 1. Always 1. If the power of given equation is 1 in one variable, that is called a linear equation. It is nothing but simple equation. Simple equation means, have it in mind, it is an equation with one variable, also the power is 1. Only one variable, the power is 1, is nothing but a simple equation. Note, in an equation, if we add or subtract or multiply or divide both the sides by the same number, the value of the LHS and RHS remains equal. It is an equation already. Equation means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So whatever you do, if you add, if you want to subtract, multiply or divide, but do it for both the sides, not the one side. If you are doing addition with some number, you should do the addition with the same number in the right hand side. Value of the LHS and RHS remains equal. We will see this with an example. See, take this 7x minus 5 is equal to 30 as our example. Okay, this is our simple equation. Just understand, this is our simple equation. So, we are going to do addition, subtraction, multiplying and dividing using same number on both the sides. See, 7x minus 5 is equal to 30. So, 7x equal to 30 plus 5. This is equal to 35. That means 7x equal to 35. It is coming like this. Now, in this 7x minus 5 is equal to 30, I am going to add 2 on both the sides. I am adding, see here, plus 2 plus 2. in the LHS and RHS. That means left hand side and the right hand side. So what it will become? 7x minus 5 plus 2 gives us minus 3. Different signs. So subtraction with the negative sign. So 5 minus 2 gives us 3, but with bigger number symbol is minus. So minus 3. This is equal to 30 plus 2, 32. But see here, 7x equal to 32. This minus 3. During transposition, it becomes plus 3, right? So this is nothing but 7x equal to 35. So it never changed. See, we added 2 on both the sides, but the answer remains the same. Similarly, subtracting 3 both the sides, I am going to minus 3 both the sides. Minus 3 here also. So minus 5 minus 3 gives us minus 8, right? 30 minus 3 is 27. Now see here, 7x equal to 27. This minus 8, transposition. So minus becomes plus 8. This gives us 7x equal to 35. See, again it is same only. Same, right? 7x equal to 35. Here also 7x equal to, it never changed. Whatever you are doing to the equation, but both the sides, it will not change. It will not affect the equation. That's why it is called equation, equal. Now, 7x minus 5, multiplying 2, both the sides. I am multiplying 2. See here, into 2, here also. Left hand side. Now 7x into 2 gives us 14x minus 5 into 2 is 10 is equal to 60. Now also see here, 14x equal to 60 plus 10. This is equal to 70. Now 14x equal to 70. So this is nothing but 7 into 2. We can write like that, right? 7 into, otherwise 2 into 7x equal to 70. So 7x equal to 70 by 2 gives us 35. Same thing, 7x equal to 35. We are getting here also. Now 7x minus 5 divided by 6 equal to 30 divided by 6. That means we are dividing both the sides by 6. So 7x minus 5 divided by 6 equal to 30 divided by 6. What will happen? 7x minus 5 equal to by 6 equal to 30 by 6 gives us 5, right? Now 7x minus 5 equal to this 6, cross multiplication, 5 into 6, right? 5 into 6. 7x minus 5 is equal to 30. Again, this becomes 7x equal to 30 plus 5. This is nothing but 7x equal to 35. Again, same equation like our question. So, in an equation, if we add, subtract, multiply or divide both the sides by the same number, the value of the LHS and RHS remains equal. That is why it is an equation. Methods of solving an equation. So, if you are given with an equation, there are 3 methods to solve that equation. What are they? Trial and error method, systematic method, transposition method. All are very interesting, but we are going to use only one method. Anyways, you should know about all those things. What is trial and error method? The variable is substituted with different values to find the particular value which makes LHS equal to RHS. Keep it in mind. That means the variable is substituted with. See, so now this is trial and error method. That means you are going to give one variable, one number, numerical values to this variable. Then we are going to find out the final number. Let's see how to do. For example, suppose if x equal to 1, what will happen? If we are substituting x equal to 1 in equation 1, what it will become? 4 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 18. Is it right? 4 into 1 is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. This is not equal to 18. So, it is not possible. This is error. Now, we will give another trial. X equal to 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 equal to 18. We are going to check is equal to 18. 8 minus 2 is equal to 18. No, it is not equal. 8 minus 2 gives us 6. So 6 is not equal. So this is also an error happened. Now let us try with x equal to 3. If we give x equal to 3, 4 3s are 4 into 3. 12 minus 2 is equal to 18. Is it equal to 18? No, right? Because 12 minus 2 is 10. This is not equal to 18. Again error happened. Now we will give another try. X equal to 4. If we give x equal to 4, 4 into 4 is 16. 16 minus 2 is equal to 18. Is it right? 16 minus 2 is 14. This is also not equal to 18. Again error happened. So we will give another try. X equal to 5. For this x equal to 5, 4 into 5 gives us 20. 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. 20 minus 2 is, yeah, it is really 18. 18 LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the right method, right? This is correct. So x value for this equation is solution. That means solution of this equation is x equal to 5. So we made these many errors by 5 trials to find the solution. So this is called trial and error method. The variable is substituted with different values to find the particular value which makes LHS equal to RHS. Next one is systematic method. Balancing the equation, that is add or subtract or multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. That is called a systematic method. We can do whatever we want. If you want to add or subtract or multiply or divide, but do it for both the sides to balance the equation. Then easy to find the value. Now, shall we balance this equation? For that, we want the value of x alone, right? So now our concentration you should give your concentration fully on this x. Your motto is going to find the value of x. For that, we need to eradicate all the other numbers. For that, what we need to do? I am going to balance. See here, 4x minus 2. This is equal to 18. So we don't want this 2, right? So we will erase this 2. But how we will delete this 2? Just add 2. That's all. Just add 2. If you add 2 here, we have to add 2 here also. So see here, minus 2 plus 2. This gives us 0. So 4x, this and this will go. This is equal to, this becomes 20. Right? Is this right? Yeah, this is right. Now I am going to divide. See, now 4x is attached with this x, right? So we want x alone. So we don't want this 4. How to eradicate this 4 from x? So we need to divide this expression with 4. Divide. Okay. Then only this becomes x alone. 4 by 4 gives us 1. 4x divided by 4 equal to 20 divided by 4. Now this is nothing but 4x by 4. This is equal to 20 by 4. We are dividing. See, whatever I am doing to left hand side, I am doing the same to the right hand side. So always keep it in mind. Now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 1, right? Now 20 and 4 both, if we divide 20 by 4, we will get 5. So ultimately we got our answer as x equal to 5. This is the solution. See, using systematic method, that is balancing the equation, that is add or subtract or multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Now transposition method, it is one of the important method which is we are going to use this method in future also. So concentrate on this. numbers or variables are shifted, that is transposed from one side of the equation to the other side by reversing the sign of the operation. We already studied what is transposition in our integer chapter itself. So we will do the same thing here, transposition. How to do transposition? See here, it's very easy actually. See, 4x, we here also concentrate on x alone. We want the value of x. So for that, we are going to take all the numbers right side. So 18 is already here. Now transpose this 2 here. While transposition, this negative becomes positive 2. Right? Positive 2. So 4x equal to 18 plus 2 is 20. Now we want x alone. What is this? 4x, 4 into x equal to 20. This is a into b is equal to c form. A into b. A into b equal to c. If you want to b, this x is b. Now this is 4 is a. This is 20. If you want to b, what is the formula? C by a. So now this 4x equal to 20. Now we want x equal to c by a is 20 divided by 4. X equal to 5. That's all. Here also we got our solution for x. So this is nothing but a transposition method. Numbers or variables are shifted or transposed from one side of the equation to the other side by reversing the sign of the operation. Now, root of an equation or solution of an equation. What is that? The value of the variable for which the LHS equal to RHS. That means the value which satisfies the equation. Satisfying means what? Both the sides becomes equal. That is called root of an equation. Now, we will use transposition method here. Okay. So, 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now, we will transpose this 3 towards right hand side. So, 2x equal to, while transposition, what will happen? Negative becomes positive 3. Negative 3 becomes positive 3. So, 2x equal to 10. X equal to 10. Multiplication means it will come down, denominator, cross multiplication. X equal to 10 by 2. See, a into b equal to c. B is equal to c by a. It is a formula which I have already given in our multiplication of integers video. So, x equal to 10 by 2. What is the value of 10 by 2? If we divide 10 by 2, we will get 5. So, the value of the given equation, that means the solution of the equation of an equation or root of an equation is x equal to 5. If you want to know, if you want to verify whether it is the root or solution of an equation, what we need to do? Substitute x equal to 5 in 2x minus 3 equal to 7 in this equation. Just substitute. We will get equal value. So, 2 instead of x, just substitute 5 minus 3 equal to 7. 2 5s are 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 10 minus 3 is 7 equal to 7. So, LHS is equal to RHS. So, this x equal to 5 is the root of an equation or solution of an equation. Shall we find a solution for this equation? 6y minus 2 is equal to 22. How to find? Just a transposition. So, 6y is equal to 22 minus 2 becomes plus 2 while coming right side from left to right. From right to left also same thing will happen. Transposition signs will change. So, 6y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24 divided by 6. Y is equal to 24. If you divide 24 by 6, what will be coming? So, y equal to 4. This is the root of an equation or solution of an equation. Again, if you want to verify this, just substitute it in the equation. How to substitute? 6 into, instead of y, just put 4 minus 2 is equal to 22. This gives us 24. Minus 2 is equal to 22. 24 minus 2 is 22. Equal to right side. See, LHS equal to RHS. So, y is equal to 4 is the solution of the given equation. This is the way to find the solution or root of an equation. Thank you.